Alright, baby Brooke's first real food.
Here we go.
Hey Jake, what are we feeding her?
Squash.
Is she gonna like it?
Yes.
Do you like squash?
Do you like squash, Jacob?
I don't like squash.
You gotta open up your mouth. You gotta move your hands, sweet. Woo.
And I say, when Mom gets done with squash, I'll say, green beans.
Well, no, we gotta do things one at a time because you gotta make sure they're not allergic. Oh my gosh! You see her grab this food. Is that yummy?
That's her with squash.
I think she wants more.
I think she likes it. She's like, it's about time. Hey, have you finished what you have in your mouth? Little piggy?
Then I get a piggy and a piggy. Can I take my boots off? No, I'm gonna run with them.
Oh,
My favorite run.
what do you think? Oh, you wanna try some? She grabbed it. What do you think? Is it yummy?
I tried it.
Here, you want it again?
Everybody wants attention. Where did my Jacob go?
Yummy?
Do it again.
Hello.
She's grabbing the spoon
Oh, you fell over.
and bringing it to her mouth.
Is that yummy?
It's like Mom's not feeding it fast enough, apparently. See, you can't get too much because you're just not used to it.
Let me do it.
No.
Yes.
Oh, so we got some on our leg.
Let me see.
What do you think?
Uh-oh.
Are you ready for some more? You still thinking about this one? She's opening her mouth too. You like it, sweetie?
Take a picture
Guess
of
what?
me running.
Mommy
Take a
hated squash when
Take
she
a
was
picture
little.
of
That's what she
running,
thinks this
and
is
I'll
funny.
fall down.
Alright, go fall down. Run. Are you okay?
I am. Take a picture of me running.
I am.
Okay.
Do it again. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yes, I am.
What do you think?
Take a picture.
Look at her
Take a
face.
picture of me running. Take a picture.
Okay. Go. Go. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I am. Take a picture of me running.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. And yes.
Jacob, stop.
What do you think about this? It's different from milk, isn't it? Yeah?
Don't fear that. Don't fear squash. Maybe green beans.
No.
Is it yummy, Brooke?
We gotta wait for the green beans.
Brooke.
You have to wait a couple days.
Brooke, is it yummy?
Brookie, look at Daddy. Is he yum yum? Look at that! She's totally grabbing for it. Is that the same way that Mommy feels about squash? Or used to? I like it now. Oh.
And that's Brooke's first squash.